3,000 miles. 0 oil life. Up to the dealership to get the first oil change. I doubt any other Hellcat Durangos out there right now that need an oil change already. But like I said, on this channel, I'm going to drive this car as a daily driver. I'm not going to abuse it, but it's going to get used. So yes, I only had this vehicle roughly 2 weeks. 2 weeks and some change, probably 20 days or something, I don't know. But that's still crazy to put 3,000 miles on your vehicle in a month, really. But of course, honeymoon stage. I'll let them go ahead and check it up there. Yeah, it just got detailed. Usually with all my other cars, they can say oil change required, but you still gotta, you can still ride it a couple of extra 100 miles.
Where's
but
that now?
He said it's low. Ian said it's low. But yeah, up here at the only dealership I'm really about to get every vehicle from for the time being, here on out. But yeah, it's a clean boy. But yeah, I also come up to the dealership and get my car clean. They actually show a lot of appreciation for the customers up here at this location, Northland Jeep and Dodge in Oak Park, Michigan. And keep my baby looking clean. One good benefit was even getting this vehicle from them. And of course, I got it first. This is the first one that came onto their lot, but free oil changes. So of course, I'm not paying for nothing for that right now, which is a great plus, because right now, every single day, I'm putting gas in this vehicle every single day. So that's something to consider when you think about getting a Hellcat Durango, whether you're one of the ones that's still waiting for your delivery, or you're one of the ones that's thinking about buying it on a secondary market. If you're not willing to put gas in this boy every day, then if you're driving every day, just be prepared to put it there, put gas in there every day. If you're not prepared to do that, then you shouldn't buy this vehicle. Premium gas too is not cheap right now. So, well, if you go to Sam's Clubs, you can probably get it cheaper there. And that's where I live at right now. Drained out, new oil getting put in. So there you have it. The first oil change of my Hellcat Durango, the the first of many. Hopefully not too many. Like from time to time it will get parked or whatever. It ain't gonna get crazy dead dirty, but it's gonna still get dirty, get dead dirty I should say, and driven as it should be. But yeah, you know.
I think those tires for 38, they was at like 32.
Oh, okay, cool, good.
Usually with the bigger Durango and trucks, I say 38 or 40, especially the winter time.
Oh, got you.
It'll be good for a while.
All right, bet, appreciate you.
So if it drops below 30, you want to bring it up here, I'll be pumping up in there.
All right, good bet. So yeah, as y'all see, they really take care of me up here. They give me A1 with everything. They make sure this boy is running right, every vehicle or whatever is running right. So I'm about to go ahead, get out here today, take care of some business. But hey, show me anybody else that put 3,000 miles on a Durango, Hellcat Durango in less than 21 days.